Hello everyone, the next tool in this category is color dodge. Actually we heard about this dodge, I think so. And the color dodge blending mode gives you a brighter effects than screen by decreasing the contrast between the base and the blend colors, resulting in saturation, midtones and blown highlights. The effect is very similar to the result you would get when using the dodge tool to brighten up an image, actually showing you that, and which blends differently when fill is adjusted compared to when opacity is adjusted. So let's go and check out what is that. I just imported this image, so here you can see that this is normal, then this is okay. Let's make a copy of this image and change the blend mode to color dodge. So what happened, it lightens the image, it just lightens. So let's decrease the fill value. Actually it's over brightens or over lightens, then let's bring back to 60. So what happened, it gives a lightning effect, it gives a beautiful lightning effect. So we can give a 50, around 50. Okay, so look at that, the difference. So I'm gonna hide this layer. So this was the original, then when I added the color dodge blend mode, so look at that. So this is a beautiful blending mode, useful to lighten an image. So what is happening here, let's check out what's happening here. Let's make a new document with white color background. Okay, let's create two ellipse with the elliptical marquee tool. By a copy, then we can fill color with a white color. So this actually the background is pretty white, then we can cue a dark or white. Okay, it's a white but not too much bright. Then make a copy of that layer, best press and hold Ctrl J to make a copy, then keep it here. Then we can change this color to black color. Actually what I did in the previous video, actually this is not pretty black, or the color code that goes 1B 1B 1B, that's when I keep it 0 though. So the pretty black color is 0. That's not, actually this is not pretty black. Then we can paste that color over here in this layer. Then we can change, or we can merge these two layers. Select that layers, then press Ctrl E to merge, then change the blend mode to color dodge. So what happened, both of these layers disappear because it affects, or it depends the background color. Actually the white color, what I said in the case of screen and lighten, this follows same characters or characteristics, or this works like screen and lighten blend modes because these are in the same group. If the background color, or if the background layer pixel color, or if the background color is more lighter than the foreground colors or these two colors, it will hide the colors, otherwise it keep in the image. So that's happening here, just happen in the case of screen and lighten blend mode. So there is a difference with screen. Let me tell you that it's brighter than the screen blend mode, and it results in an intense contrasty color, typically results in saturated midtones and blown highlights, as I told earlier. So let me show you some useful examples to prove this. Okay, let's close this one. Then we can import a bulb image. Okay, this is a light bulb or filament bulb. Let's make, okay, let's choose the magic wand tool to select same color of pixels or kind of pixels. Select this. Okay, sorry, we can select in one click. Okay, I selected the filament or the incandescent filament, incandescent one. Then we can make the copy or layer. We can right click and make a copy, then layer by copy. Then what I'm going to do is just change the blend mode to color dodge, so it brightens more. Look at that, the difference. Let me zoom in, then look at that. Okay, I hope Then we can make another copy of this image by pressing Ctrl J, then press and hold Ctrl T. Okay, let's make it quite bigger. Okay, press enter. So what happened? Look at that. So we can make this kind of easy effects with color dodge. And let me show you another example. Now open an image. This is a small lanyard. Let's make copy, then increase the or make it color dodge. So look at that. Then we can decrease the fill value. Okay, now it looks better. Before and after, before and after. So I think this is pretty good. So we can easily touch up images with color dodge, blend mode. Actually this work like the dodge tool. So this is a normal image. I'm going to delete this. Then we can do the same thing with the dodge one. Look at that. It increases the lightning. We can go back before and after. Let me zoom in. I think you can feel that. Okay, let me show you another example with a landscape or a beautiful image. Okay, let's make a copy of this image, then going to color dodge. Look at that, before and after. Then fill value goes down. Look at that. It gives a beautiful effect to images. So this is a color dodge. This is a practical use of color dodge blending mode. I hope you're clear with this. We are moving to the next one. That's linear dodge add. So thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the next blend mode. That's linear dodge add. Actually, linear dodge produces similar but stronger results than screen or color dodge that I previously explained. This blending mode looks at the color information in each channel and brightens the base color to reflect the blend color by increasing the brightness. Blending with the black produces no change. And linear dodge blends differently when fill opacity is adjusted compared to when opacity is adjusted. And what is add? The word means what's add. They mean this mode adds the luminance levels, or what is luminance? The intensity of light. So it gives or adds more light to the image. So let's explore. Actually, these category blend modes or lighting blend modes are really useful to do touch up or to add lighting effects, simple lighting effects to image. So I'm gonna duplicate this image, then change into linear dodge. So look at that, it's changed, or it lightens, or it increases the luminance levels. Go back. Actually, this is a dark image, then brightening. And also we can change the fill, and let me change the opacity value. So both of these are gives the same or the similar results. This really works perfect. Then let us do the same thing in another image, sunset. Then we can duplicate this layer and change into linear dodge. Actually, we can do some darkening here. So let's select the brush tool, then the foreground color set to black, background color goes white. Then the floor level, I selected 7. You can do with 10 or not exceed 15. Then we can drag and darken this area. Let's do that. Look at that. And we can go back, press Ctrl Z. Look at that, from here to here. So what's happening here, this particular portion is covers more light, and this is not. Actually, this gives a good feel to the image. And then when I disable this one, this was original image, then we modified like this. I think this is more good or better than this one. So this is the linear dodge blend mode. So let's do a manual example. Make a new white color blank document. Then do it whatever we did in the previous example. So let's change the blend mode to linear dodge. It erases everything. So what happened here, this blend mode looks at the color information in each channel and brightens the base color to reflect the blend color by increasing the brightness. And also blending with the black produces no change. So I hope you're clear with this linear dodge blend mode. These are not widely used, but these are really useful. I also shown some examples to modify with this. So I hope you are clear. We are moving to the next one, that's lighter color blend mode, and we have a bunch of groups over here, and the upcoming blend modes are really useful in our daily life editing. So we can move to the next blend mode, that's lighter color. Thank you.